Hey there, lovely video creators, welcome back to our channel. Watch this short video.
Do you believe that AI made it?
Yes.
This is done by the latest trending Sora, which converts text to video with generative AI.
So what is Sora?
It is an AI text-to-video generator, developed by OpenAI behind ChatGPT. It creates realistic videos according to your written commands.
For example, a pomp like an adorable kangaroo wearing a green dress and a sun hat taking a pleasant stroll in Johannesburg, South Africa during a beautiful sunset. The more details your command has, the more accurate the video is. How fancy it is!
But before you get into using Sora, there are two things you should know.
A. It is now only able to create a video up to 1 minute.
B. It's still in the testing phase and not available to the public yet.
So, while we await Sora's public release,
why not explore other AI video generators?
Introducing HitPaw Edimakor, a powerful AI tool for text-to-video conversion. It will automatically generate a script and turn it into a video. Simply run this video editor on your desktop and click on AI Video Generator. First of all, let's generate a script.
Write 1-3 sentences about our video topic and select the vibe and language.
Click on Generate Script and voila! The scripts appear on the right in just a few seconds.
Next, the entire script is shown in multiple paragraphs.
You can revise, add or delete any words as you want. Click on Plus to add media files you have prepared. Preview and check the created video. Go on. Before export, need more customization or other the video clips? No problem. Click on Advanced Edit here for access to additional editing tools in our stock library. Let's search for relevant videos, download and add them to the timeline. All the editing tools are available to edit or cut your video. Also use the text-to-speech feature to add a realistic AI voice to your video. When satisfied, export the video and share it to your media platform. See? Converting text to video has never been easier with AI.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.